Hello, welcome again to another lesson. We are continuing with our topic, international trade. Last time we discussed a lot about international trade. We said that it is trade which involves two or more countries. And today we are continuing with our topic by looking at the differences between international trade and home trade. We understand that international trade takes place across borders. There are so many countries which are involved. Therefore, traders have to move from one country to another. For example, a trader can move from Tanzania to Kenya. A trader can travel to China to buy goods and bring them to Tanzania. That means the trader will have crossed the country's boundaries. Whereas home trade takes place within the country. For example, a trader buying goods from Dar es Salaam and brings them to Dodoma. Or a trader transports goods from Dodoma to other parts of Tanzania, Arusha, Iringa, and so on. The next difference is that international trade uses foreign currencies. For example, the pounds, the dollars. If there's a trader who buys goods from Zambia, then that trader must use the Zambian currency, which is called kwacha. Whereas in home trade, we use the local currencies. All traders in Tanzania use the local currency of Tanzania, and that is the Tanzanian shilling. Another difference is that goods in international trade are stored in bonded warehouses, whereas goods in home trade are stored in wholesalers' warehouses. The next difference is that goods in international trade are advertised using the international media. The international media, we have a good example of BBC, CNN, and so on. Whereas in home trade, the local media is used to advertise goods. For example, one may use the local newspapers, like in Nipashe, the Daily News. Someone may decide to use the local TV stations, TBC, ITV, to advertise goods. Another difference between international trade and home trade is that the agents involved in international trade are mainly the importers and exporters, while the agents involved in home trade are mainly the wholesalers and the retailers. The next difference between international trade and home trade is the means of transport. Air and water are the major means of transport in international trade. For example, a trader wishing to buy goods from Guangzhou in China will need to either use air transport or water transport. Whereas in home trade, roads and railways are mainly used. For example, one in need of buying goods from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, this person in most cases will have to use road transport or railway transport. In international trade, goods are imposed customs duties. Those are taxes which are charged on the goods being imported. Those ones are called customs duties. Whereas in home trade, excise duties are imposed on goods which are traded just within home, goods which are traded just within the country. Thank you very much for following up. Next time we shall continue with our topic by looking at the advantages of international trade.